In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Formaloo. Formaloo empowers you with the capabilities of databases without the need for coding. Here, they offer different types of templates based on your needs, such as forms, lead generation, customer satisfaction, and even math quiz templates. Starting from scratch, we have the ability to create custom forms based to our specific requirements. Here, simply input the title of the form and can optionally upload an image. We can include a description of the form's purpose. Once done, we can proceed to add fields. The user-friendly interface of Formaloo allows for easy comprehension at a glance. With just one click, a field can be effortlessly added to the form. Click Save and the form will be generated instantly. If your respondents have already submitted responses, you can also check the results here. I hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!